What's up guys, my name is Technobo here for Troubleshoot, and today I'll be showing you how you can add a new local user account. Note, this is not a Microsoft account that you sign in with an email, but it is a local account on your PC, much like the one that I'm on here. If I were to click on my user account down here, change account settings, you'll see that it says a local account administrator. So let's say we want to create another one of these accounts on your PC. How exactly do you go about doing that? Well, simply hold start and press R, and then type in control, C-O-N-T-R-O-L, and hit enter. Then head across to the user accounts tab, and then user accounts once again. Then you'll see your account on the right hand side, and a bunch of options here. We're going to go to manage another account, and then we'll hit add a new user in PC settings. Then go ahead and hit add someone else to this PC. And you'll be presented with the Microsoft sign-in page over here. Simply hit I don't have this person's sign-in information. Then go ahead and click add a user without a Microsoft account. And then we can go ahead and enter the information over here. It's really annoying that we have to go this long way around, but that's how the new Windows 10 system is working, where they want to have everything linked to their servers. So, rant aside, we'll go ahead and create a second account. We'll give it a username, we'll call it second, and we're going to leave it without a password. Hit next. You can of course set one if you like, however I'm leaving it without, and you can see that it's over here. So we can also change account type with this button over here, and we can change it from a standard user to an administrator if we'd like. Giving it administrator allows it to right click or run as admin, allow it to access all of the files on your PC, including the other accounts' files. So it's a pretty powerful thing to give, but you will need it in some cases, and most of the time if it's just your personal computer. So let's go ahead and make sure that it's actually installed. By holding start, pressing R, control should still be there. You can just hit enter, or you'll have to type in control and then hit enter. Heading back to user accounts twice, then manage another account, you should see that the second account is over here. Clicking on it will allow us to change its information, password, etc, etc. And that's about it. Thank you guys for watching. My name is Technobo, and I'll see you guys next time. Ciao.